Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DHgate app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of DHgate. You will find it here in this page as you see, and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support us by